Today we're comparing eXp Realty with another major player in the real estate world, Berkshire Hathaway. Choosing a brokerage is a huge decision that can make or break your career, and we're here to help you navigate it. So let's get to it. Picking a brokerage is about more than just commission splits, although that's clearly a big deal. Your brokerage choice shapes your everyday experience, the support you receive, and the resources available for your growth. You want a brokerage that aligns with your goals, supports your success, helps you keep more of your hard-earned money, and of course, leaves you feeling super stoked about your choice. Today we're comparing eXp Realty and Berkshire Hathaway, two well-known names in real estate. We'll take a close look at commission splits, fees, training opportunities, and agent satisfaction. eXp Realty is super transparent about this information, but it takes some digging to get the full understanding of Berkshire Hathaway. Luckily for you, we've done the research so you don't have to. Let's start with agent satisfaction, because if agents are happy, they're more likely to succeed. Based on brokerage reviews, eXp Realty scores a solid 4.6 stars, while Berkshire Hathaway comes in slightly lower at 4.4 stars. This gives you a peek into how agents feel about their overall experience at each company, including support and resources. If you want more insight into how these brokerages compare to others, check out our video, Best Real Estate Brokerages to Work For. The link will be in the description below. Let's talk about brokerage profitability, because it directly impacts your day-to-day life and future at the company. A financially stable brokerage is less likely to make sudden changes that could hurt your business. Berkshire Hathaway is a part of Anywhere real estate family, which includes Sotheby's, Better Homes and Gardens, Century 21, and Krikorian. Anywhere has posted 20 quarters of earnings, with 12 profitable quarters, meaning they're 60% profitability. On the other hand, eXp Realty has posted 20 quarters of earnings, with 15 profitable quarters, putting them at 75% profitability. And even better, eXp Realty is the only publicly traded brokerage that's been profitable for the last 5 years. That kind of financial stability leads to continuous improvements for agents and clients alike. If you're looking for a brokerage that reinvests in its agents and stays financially solid, eXp Realty is a step ahead. And if you want the full scoop on brokerage profitability, check out our video, Exposed Top Real Estate Companies That Might Go Under. Again, the link will be in the description below. Let's dig into the commission splits, one of the most important factors for most agents. At Berkshire Hathaway, commission splits range from 60-40 to 70-30-7. This is often negotiated between the agent and office, so it's important to ask for specifics during your interview. At eXp Realty, the commission splits are refreshingly simple and transparent. Agents start at an 80-20 split, and once you paid $16,000 to the brokerage in a year, you move to 100% commission for the rest of the year. And with eXp, there's no negotiation or confusion. Every agent gets the same deal. Plus, eXp offers stock options for agents who hit certain milestones, so you can actually earn more than 100% of your commission each year. Whether you're a new agent or a top producer, the playing field is level at eXp. Alright, I'm Doug Smart, and I'm part of a team that did over $3.5 billion in sales last year. It's probably pretty clear to you that I'm with eXp Realty, but don't think I'm unfairly hyping up eXp. I'm giving you the straight facts, not my personal opinions. Stick around, because I'll explain why even I can see how Berkshire Hathaway might be the right fit for some agents. However, if you're leaning towards the massive potential that eXp Realty offers, join our record-breaking team like other agents do every week. You'll get more free value than anyone in the real estate business is offering. Hit the link in the description below to book a call with us. Now let's talk about E&O insurance, or errors and omission insurance. This is crucial for protecting both you and your brokerage from potential legal claims. At Berkshire Hathaway, the details about E&O insurance are not widely shared, and it seems to vary by office. From what we've gathered, these costs can be substantial, so you'll want to check with your local office to understand what you'll be expected to pay. At eXp Realty, agents pay $60 per transaction, and once you hit $750 for the year, your E&O fees stop. No more payments, no matter how many deals you close. This is a huge advantage, especially if you're just starting out and you want to keep more of your income in your pocket. Fees can really add up, so let's break down what to expect from eXp Realty and Berkshire Hathaway. At eXp Realty, agents pay a straightforward $85 a month fee and a $25 transaction fee until you hit your cap. Pretty simple, right? At Berkshire Hathaway, things are more complicated. Monthly fees can range from $295 to $625 per transaction, depending on your office. Plus, there's a 6% royalty fee on each transaction, which can really start to add up. When you compare the two, eXp Realty offers a more predictable and cost-effective fee structure, which helps agents keep more of their earnings. Training and support are key for both new agents and seasoned pros. Let's see how these brokerages stack up. At eXp Realty, you'll have access to over 50 live training sessions every week, along with a massive on-demand library of courses. For new agents, the Fast Start program is designed to help you hit the ground running, while experienced agents can level up with the Kickstart program. With 24/7 support and over 2,000 full-time staff members available to assist you, you're never left hanging when you need help. At Berkshire, the training and support vary by office. Some offices might offer great resources, while others could leave you wanting more. Your experience will largely depend on your local office broker's availability, which means you might not always have the support you need at crucial moments. If having consistent, high-quality training and around-the-clock support is important to you, eXp Realty definitely has the edge on this one. Having the right technology can make or break your real estate business. So let's see how eXp and Berkshire compare. eXp Realty is at the forefront of tech innovation with its fully virtual brokerage model. Agents work in eXp World, a metaverse-like platform where you can meet with your broker, get tech support, and attend training sessions. Plus, eXp Realty provides agents with a personal IDX website, not just a page on your brokerage's website, a powerful CRM and lead generation tool, a marketing center filled with customizable templates and social media content, and more. And with eXp, the tech keeps evolving to help you stay ahead of the competition. At Berkshire Hathaway, we found no information about their technology and resources. Not sure why, but it seems like a bad thing that no one is even talking about it. If having access to cutting-edge tools and resources is crucial to your success, eXp Realty is the clear leader here. While eXp Realty offers tons of benefits, Berkshire Hathaway may be the better fit if you prefer a traditional brokerage with physical offices. If you enjoy the structure of an office environment or need to have a local broker for face-to-face support and to crack the whip to get you moving, Berkshire Hathaway could be the right place for you. But if you're just looking for out-of-home office space, eXp Realty provides free access to over 4,000 Regus office business lounges around the world. But if you thrive in a more structured setting with daily in-person accountability, Berkshire Hathaway might feel more like home. On top of everything else, eXp Realty offers a range of features that most brokerages simply don't. For luxury agents, eXp's luxury division allows you to advertise your high-end listings globally, giving you top-tier exposure. They also have a dedicated staff called referrals, whose sole job is to find and provide quality leads directly to eXp agents. How cool is that? Your referral tool makes it easy for agents to pass referrals to others with just a few clicks. And if you're only interested in running a referral business, eXp's referral division allows lower costs while keeping you in the game. And let's not forget about revenue share, which offers a way for agents to earn income by recommending other agents to join eXp. That income doesn't stop when you retire, and it's willable, meaning it keeps giving even after you're out of the game. Talk about a win-win. To learn more about eXp Realty and our sponsor team, here are some more videos which should be popping up right about now.